Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Clixtell for Coaching. Our main features: call attribution. Watch and record your customer's full journey from search to click and call. Call analytics. Learn everything about your campaign effectiveness and optimize digital marketing to increase profit. Phone numbers. Whether you need a local phone number in your hometown, across the country, or a toll-free number, we've got you covered. Dynamic phone insertion. Clixtell's dynamic phone insertion automatically generates a tracking phone number based on the source that led a visitor to your website. This advanced technology enables you to create your personal settings and adjust them to each advertising platform, such as Google Ads, Bing Ads, Yahoo, Yelp, Facebook, Taboola, Outbrain, Organic, or any other channel. Who's clicking my ads? Competitors. It's a known strategy that competitors click on your paid ads so they will go offline. Click farms. Click farms are organizations that can produce thousands of clicks in minutes. Bots. Over 36% of web traffic is generated by automatic bots and scripts. Clixtell compare plans. In short, Clixtell has three main pricing options. The first one, basic, is $15 per month. The second package is called standard, and the price is $50 per month. The last option is agency, which is $75 per month. You will get unlimited domains for up to 10,000 clicks. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Clixtell and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.